Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's create a beautiful dot mandala in this 16-inch board. I'll keep center dot in custard. I'll keep tiny dots in custard. I will keep salmon dots. I'll keep tiny dots in salmon. I'll keep coral dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in coral. I'll keep some dots in green sea. I'll keep tiny dots in green sea. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep tiny dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep custard dots in floral shape. I'll keep coral dots now. I'll keep brushstrokes in salmon. I'll keep coral dots in oval shape. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep custard dots in oval shape. I'll keep brushstrokes in green sea. I'll keep brushstrokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep dots in green sea. I'll keep salmon dots. I'll keep tiny dots in salmon. I'll keep dots in coral. I'll keep tiny dots in coral. I'll keep custard dots. I'll keep salmon dots in oval shape. I'll keep brushstrokes in salmon. I'll keep few more brushstrokes in salmon. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep brushstrokes in coral. I'll keep brushstrokes in green sea. I'll keep some brushstrokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep green sea dots in floral shape. I'll keep coral dots. I'll keep green sea dots. I'm sure in the journey of pursuing Dot Mandala, you would have received a lot of criticisms. And if you can share what are those criticisms and how did you handle them, it's going to be useful for a lot of people who view this video. And thank you for watching.